English Premier League Match Day 12 preview. If you are someone who's a fan of the English Premier League, you also happen to bet on these Premier League matches, please stay with me, guys, as we look at these features and provide the predictions, guys. Okay, so the first match we are having, it is tomorrow, Saturday. Burnley are hosting Chelsea at 2:30. Okay, so Burnley are hosting Chelsea at 2:30. Then let us look at the win probabilities. Let us look at the win probabilities and the league position in terms of where these two teams placed. Chelsea are currently at position number 3. They've played 11 matches. They've collected 20 points. Burnley are currently at position 17. They've played 11 matches. They've collected 10 points. By the way, Burnley, it is a home to one of our players as South Africans, which is Lyle Foster. So the win probability